name is Akshat Singh Tomar of grade 10 from IS Public School, Sihor, Madhya Pradesh.
My name is Jai Goyal. I'm grade 10 from IES Public School, Sihor, Madhya Pradesh.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Dipanshu Singh from grade 10th of IES Public School, Sihor, Madhya Pradesh.
In this project, we have introduced you by the system of real-time radiation and a health protector for the astronauts and try to develop a frequent connection between our astronauts in space and to the Earth stations. In the following slides, you will get to know about them in more detail.
Real-time radiation and health protector.
Satellite is connected to radiation classes and Earth signal receiving centers. Satellite will work as a transmitter.
We will have the radiation glasses with 3D plus HD camera plus headset with mic. By the programmers, one frequency have been set to which all the gadgets inside the astronaut suit are connected.
Artificial health monitor connected with radiation glasses provide heartbeat, oxygen rate, calories in body. It will send every report to satellite and satellite Earth Center can decode this report immediately.
Wireless frequency receiver plus sound microphone to record the voice of the astronaut and send it to the satellite, and then the satellite will send sound message to the Earth station. This frequency receiver is connected to radiation glasses, and this is the instrument which is present in astronaut suit at the backside and microphone coming to the mouth for clear communication.
Artificial health monitor is programmed in such a way that whenever the oxygen or heart rate go up or down than the limit set, the radiation glasses connected with health monitor will send report to satellite and satellite will send report to doctors in Earth station. And programmer will immediately decode this code and doctor will be connected to astronauts.
Laser communication in space is the use of free space optical communication in the outer space. Communication may be fully in space or in a ground to satellite or satellite to ground application. The main advantage of using laser communication over radio communication is increased bandwidth, enabling the transfer of more data in less number of time. In outer space, the communication range of free space optical communication is currently of the order of several thousand kilometers. It has the potential to bridge interplanetary distances of millions of kilometers using optical telescopes as beam expanders.
Astronaut body overview where machines are attached and connected with radiation glasses.
Servers at the Earth station will automatically decode the report and send it to the doctor's PC, which will give the 3D exact report of astronaut.
From server, the report is now on the doctor's screen.
And after the discussion with senior doctors, instruction will be sent from the server to the satellite as the astronaut radiation glasses are connected with the satellite.
Server engineer will code instruction given by doctor and send to robot connected to radiation glasses.
Further, the robot installed at the backside of astronaut suit will receive message from the satellite, and then according to the programmed code, it will prepare the medicines.
In case signal is lost, this controller will automatically switch to other Earth station and is pre-programmed by engineers to connect to particular Earth station.
Controller is providing all communication details and outside environment report.
Coding server are connected with robot and they will send commands to robot to collect the samples.
Research scientists are connected with robot and controlling robot to collect samples according to their needs.
That you like the idea in which we have discussed about the real-time radiation plus health protector. In our model, there are three main components are there. First is satellite, second is radiation glasses, and third is wireless frequency receiver. I value and respect your opinions. Thank you.